Hi, welcome back to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to have a guest chef. My wife, Catherine, is going to make Kung Pao Chicken.
Okay, let's starting to make Kung Pao Chicken.
Add 1 cup of raw peanuts to 1 tablespoon olive oil. Stir fry peanuts for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly. Fry the peanuts until you see the white of the peanut turn a little bit yellow. Remove peanuts to a separate bowl. Add 1/8 teaspoon of salt to the peanuts. Chop 3 ribs of celery. Chop 1 green onion. Cut 2 chicken breasts into small cubes. Mix 1 tablespoon potato starch with the chicken. Stir into the chicken 1 tablespoon Kung Pao chicken sauce. Add salt to taste. Let this marinate for about 5 minutes. Over a medium heat, pour in the chicken mixture into the oil that was used to cook the peanuts. Fry chicken until golden brown on all sides. Add celery to the pan. Cook celery for only about 5 or 6 minutes. You want the celery to be kind of crunchy in the meal. Add 1 more tablespoon of the Kung Pao chicken sauce. You can add about 2 tablespoons of water if necessary. Next, add the previously cooked peanuts. Heat just long enough until the peanuts are warm. Pour the Kung Pao chicken onto the serving platter.
Let me teaching chicken. Very good. It's not salty, but so tender. Very good. Very good. You try.
Very good. A good crunch from the celery. Chicken, nice and tender, flavorful. Peanuts make the whole thing. Kung Pao chicken is a 2 thumbs up. If you like this video, and my guest chef today, Catherine, give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe to Ed Foodie. Thank you. Kung Pao chicken is finished. What we're gonna do is wait for the rice to finish and we'll put it on a bed of rice. And we'll have lunch. You want Kung Pao chicken? Mouse, do you like Kung Pao chicken?
Yes!
Mickey does. He likes Kung Pao chicken.